Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix YouTube not working on Wi-Fi. So to fix that there is multiple solutions that we are going to try. The first one is to check if YouTube works on mobile data or not. So you have to be sure that the problem is not the problem of the Wi-Fi itself. So you have to turn off your Wi-Fi, like I'm turning off my Wi-Fi, and try to use YouTube with mobile data, and after that turn on your Wi-Fi again. After that, the second solution is to restart the Wi-Fi router. So restart your router and wait about 5 minutes and try to connect again. Another solution is to go to settings, go to WLAN and forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnect to it again. And to forget it, you have to click on the I next to Wi-Fi. And after that, click on forget this network. And after that, just enter the password again. Another thing that you can do is to turn off VPN or private DNS if you are using one of them. So for example, like here, if I have Proton VPN, I have to be sure that the VPN is not working, because the VPN sometimes will create some problems for some applications. So those applications will not work properly or correctly. Another thing is to just restart the YouTube app. You have to go to the YouTube app, restart it, let it open, restart it, and also restart your phone and leave the phone closed for 1 or 2 minutes, open it and try again. Another thing that you can do is to try with another Wi-Fi network. If there is another Wi-Fi network next to you, you can try using another Wi-Fi network, because sometimes there is some settings that you can use in routers that may block some applications from working through this Wi-Fi. Another thing you can do, and it's the last thing, is to reset network settings if the problem continues. And to do that, you have to go to settings, go to general. After that, scroll until you will find transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it. After that, click on reset and click on reset network settings. And don't be afraid, this will not delete your files from your phone, your pictures and your videos. It will only forget all the devices that were connected to your phone, and after that you can connect them again. Like here it will reset Bluetooth, reset also Wi-Fi and reset mobile data, and after that you can try again. That's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.